All right, welcome back. We are still looking at synonyms, nearest in meanings, all right? And we have this on the board. Now, the first one is chagrin, all right? It's such a chagrin. Chagrin means disappointment, okay? That word you see there is disappointment, okay? Then the next word to it is inevitable. If something is inevitable, it means something that cannot be done without. And the synonymous word there is unavoidable, all right? Then we talk about gargantuan. Something gargantuan is something colossal, something huge, something big, something large, something ginormous, all right? It's said to be colossal, all right? My approach to the teaching of English is quite gargantuan. That is big, all right? Huge. Then recant. When you recant something, you withdraw. The situation is recanted. It has been withdrawn, all right? Then we talk about gory sight. Something gory, it means something bloody, all right? We're sorry for that gory sight that you just watched on the television. That means it's not good for your sight, it's bloody. That's the next word you have there, all right? Then you talk about gallant. When you are gallant, some people even think, funnily enough, that the word gallant means to be huge or big. They don't know the word gallant means to be brave or courageous, all right? That is why you have gallant soldiers. That means brave soldiers, not big soldiers. You can't say my husband's sister is gallant, all right? Simply because the person is big, all right? So the word gallant means what? To be what? Brave or courageous. Just like this word bogus. Many persons think that the word bogus means something big. They don't know bogus means fake, all right? Can't say my trouser is bogus. No. That means you are saying your trouser is fake. What bogus means what? Fake. All right? Yes. It doesn't mean big in any way. Then you talk about offhand. All right? To do something offhand means to do something like unprepared. All right? Yes. Extempore, without looking at anything. All right? The principal came and delivered the speech extempore. Means that the principal came and delivered the speech without holding anything, without any prior preparation. He just came and delivered the speech. Rhetoric, like when Barack Obama delivered his inaugural speech as the president of US, he was the first president to have delivered his speech extempore without holding any paper at all. All right. So the next one is rhetoric. When you rhetoric a particular speech, what it does mean is to repeat. Please, can you rhetoric? All right. I didn't hear what you said. That means, please, can you come again? Repeat. Then you talk about encomiums. When you pour encomiums on someone, that means you are pouring praises on the person. Encomiums means praises. Another word is eulogy. All right. Okay, eulogy. That's another word for praises. Then you talk about mimic. When you mimic somebody, what does it mean? It means to imitate the person. All right? To imitate. Then don't forget, another word for imitator is popinjay. All right? Imitator, popinjay, and have such a word there. Then if you have a cantankerous, I cannot marry a cantankerous woman. That means a woman that is quarrelsome. All right? When somebody is quarrelsome, we say the person is cantankerous. All right? Yes. For example, if you check this novel they call Wuthering Heights by Emily Blunt, you discover that when this man referred to as, Lockwood visited Wuthering Heights and met Joseph, he wasn't pleased with the way the man was behaving. He felt the man was quarrelsome. That's cantankerous. Then you talk about anarchy. Of course, a state of lawlessness. Okay? Yeah. When there is no law in the country, then the situation becomes one of anarchy. Then you talk about ally. Somebody's ally is his supporter. All right? Yes. Or we talk about what? Hoodwink. To hoodwink means to what? Deceive. All right? Sorry, I cannot be hoodwinked. I've grown much more than that. All right? So that's that. In our next class, we look at antonyms.